Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we are doing a thrift haul and try on from ThredUp. I have my box right here, so let's get started. The first dress is from Levi's, and it's this cute little overalls dress, so it buttons up the front and has this stretchy panel in the back. The denim feels very soft, so I think this has been well loved. But let's try it on.
All right, here's the first look. It is super cute. It looks really cute with this crop top as well. The only thing is that this button right here doesn't close. I don't think it's because it's too tight. I think the buttonhole is actually too small. But other than that, so here's the front and here's the back. Side profile. Very cute. Soft, it has pockets. We love a good pocket here. I give it a 10 out of 10 because this is a super easy fix, so it's no big deal.
All right, next up is this cute little blue dress from the Nines. Collared, and it buttons up the front. It's a very soft material. I think it's just polyester. It's super cute. Let's try it on.
All right, and here is dress number 2. This is the dress from the Nines. It's so flowy and breathable, and it has these cute little arm ties, which I absolutely love. Quite long, actually. The only thing I'll say is that I love it from the front. We love it from the back, but from the side, it's just not that flattering. And I think I have a solution for this. Don't look in here, it's very messy. Oh no. Oh no. Little belt cinches the waist. Very cute side profile now. Front. Back. I think I like it more with the belt, but you will have to let me know. Should I actually pleat the front to curve with my waist? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Tell me in the comments.
We have this little number. It is also a blue collared button-up dress, so clearly I was very creative when I was ordering. And this is from Coldwater Creek, and it's new with tags. Very soft, all of them have been, but this has more of a cottony material, so I'm excited to try it on.
Okay, Coldwater Creek, I see you. Again, this one is super cute, very long. It's a really light, flowy material again, and it has this cute little waist tie in the front, and then it kind of balloons on the waist in the back. Okay, so as I was watching this footage back, I realized this dress is completely see-through. I'm either going to have to wear nude colored underwear or a slip under this dress. So yes, I noticed it too. These are seashell buttons, super cute. The only thing is, well, let me just show you. Shoulder pads. I have not had a dress with shoulder pads in it since I was 5 years old, and although I do like them, the only problem is when I lift, the waist comes up, and I think it's because the shoulder pads are so puffy. Let's test this theory. Shoulder pads are gone, and they were super easy to remove because they just had like just a little anchor stitch holding them in. It helped a little with this waist issue, but not completely. I probably will take this waist strap and actually lower it down. It hits here, but my natural waist is actually about here, so it'd be a little more flattering if it cinched in all the right places. On to the last dress.
Last but not least, I have this little dress. This is from, where's the tag? Oh, here it is. BCBG Generation. It's tie-dyed, super cute purple. It has this little cowl neck in the front. It's super cute. It's also very soft, just like the other ones. You can see here, there are some signs of wear. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's some snags in the fabric. They're not that noticeable though, and it is very soft. So let's try it on.
And here we have the last dress. I love the little cowl neck in the front. The purple tie-dye is so trendy and I love it. I love how it looks from the front. Love how it looks from the back. But from the side, it's just so boxy. I look like a tall box. I look like a tall box of milk. You know those milk boxes that we have here in the US? It's just not flattering on me. I think this is another one. Where'd I put that? I don't know. Does the belt work? Does the belt work? Maybe a different belt. I do think when it just cinches at the waist, it's high-low. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's high in the front, low in the back, and ooh, little side slit action. Very, very cute. So this one, I love the tie-dye design. I love the cowl neck top. It's just not the most flattering on me. I think I'll keep it, and I'll either wear it with a belt, probably not this belt, or I might chop it and do a little crop top and skirt two-piece set. I think that'd be pretty cute. What do you guys think? Belt, crop top, two-piece set? Let me know in the comments. And what do you think about this one? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments. Well, that was great. I liked every single dress. They all need some sort of alteration or fix, but that's just what you get when you buy thrifted clothes, and especially buying them online. You just don't know what you're going to get. I'll probably keep all 4 of them and make a couple changes to them. I definitely recommend trying it if you've never done any thrifting before. This is a low barrier way to thrift. You just order it online and it arrives at your house in like 3 weeks. Let me know what you think. Did you like them? Did you hate them? Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.